How to remove location from Instagram post. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your Instagram application and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then I'm going to go straight to the profile and tap on any of the posts that I want to remove the location from. So as you can see, there's this location available right below my profile name. So in order to remove that, what you can do is just tap on three dotted lines over here. Then you can see the option of edit and you can see the location over here. So what we have to do is just tap on that location, and here as you can see there's no remove option and we can only select or change the location. So but we don't want to change the location, we want to remove it. So to remove it, just tap on the cross icon over here and do not select any other location. And there you go, you can see the option of add location, which means that our location has been removed. So thank you so much for watching this video, and you can just tap on save and it will be done. See you next time.